Well, welcome once again to another episode of How to Make Passive Income Through the Internet. Welcome, my name is Solomon. I'm your host for this program for today. I want to let you all know that if you are still not involved into cryptocurrency, definitely you are still a novice, or you don't know the real facts about cryptocurrency, or you don't know what you need to increase your income on a daily basis. Most people are still afraid of getting involved into cryptocurrency, or most people don't believe cryptocurrency is here to stay. uh, and at this moment of doing this video, you can see that the price of dollar is falling behind. As you can see that the forex market is also going down, and the stock market, all of them are going down due to some corrections in the fiat currency. But cryptocurrency has been moving on a high value, has been going so high. Um, if you don't know what is cryptocurrency is a virtual coin that you can generate, that you can mine, that you can receive for free through the internet. I'm talking about coins like Bitcoin. I believe 98% of the world population has knew what is Bitcoin. I've seen Bitcoin, or maybe they have heard it from the news or somewhere else, or from my channel, or from the YouTube channel about Bitcoin. There are other cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin was the first that was generated by Satoshi. So today I'm here to show you how you can definitely make passive income in cryptocurrency. Okay. uh Before I move further directly to talk about this video, I want you guys to know that I have noticed that a lot of people have not subscribed to my Instagram page or my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to click on the follow button, click on the like button, share my videos, and also most importantly, subscribe or place a comment if you have any questions about it. So let's move further to this video. I noticed that young kids and a lot of people are now interested in online gaming. They play games for fun, to relax. Most people use games to do other things that relaxes them after a stressful work at the office. But today I want to show you that you can definitely make income by playing games online. While you are playing game, having fun, you will be making cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Dashcoin, Ethereum, and this coin. So please don't forget that for you to be able to use this website I'm going to show you today, you definitely have to register with my reference link. Here is my reference link that is clicking here. Link at this point, this is where we call link, https slash rollcoin.com. This is my reference link. For you to be able to register, please copy this link or pause this video so you can copy this link and register through this. Let me tell you, this is legit, this is free, and this is easy. You don't need to deposit any money, you don't need to do anything. What you need to do is just play the game. I'm going to show you how you play this game and how you can generate mining, how you can make money from it. So this is the reference link. Please copy the reference link on your browser. You can use your mobile phone, you can use your desktop computer, you can use your laptops to play this game, and it's very easy game. While you're playing, you've been deposited, you've been given cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and also at the moment you are playing this game, this is like a mining gaming, that when you're playing the game, the more you win, the more you build a virtual a mining farm, a virtual mining farm that will be giving you opportunities to mine Bitcoin, to mine cryptocurrency without you investing any dime money. You don't need to invest any money. What I'm showing you here has been tried and tested. All are real. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can see this is my account. Let's see what we have here on the home page. Okay, let's see what we have here on the home page. You can see this is my account. I already have 600 gigahertz per second. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see how does it work. Let's see how it works now. Hello world. Now look at it. Hello world. It say Here you are, young crypto enthusiasts looking for a fortune and dreaming about your own crypto mining data center. Crypto mining data center. Maybe you have already tried mining cryptos on your own, maybe not, it doesn't matter. Roller Coin was made for you to play games and build a data center while you earn your first rate cryptos. While you earn your first rate cryptos, are you getting me now? You are being paid in cryptocurrency. Now, what is the cost of Bitcoin at this present moment? If you don't know, Bitcoin has a new high. It has increased in to one Bitcoin now costs $22,000. You can imagine what it means in your currency, your individual currency, all around the world. So you can imagine if you are opportune to have Bitcoin as at 5 years ago, as at 2 years ago, even as at yesterday, maybe you'd have made profit 100%, 200% times the profit you're supposed to make. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin is a very, very good way of make it. We call it the people's money because everybody will be rich if you're having cryptocurrency. Believe it or not, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Many other currencies might go away, but Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum are going to stay for a long term. So if you're not involved now, please, I'm telling you, get involved so you can wipe away every poverty, so you can change your financial situation and become financially free. Okay, so but please don't rely on mining in Raycon as your main source of income. Okay, Raycon is a mining game. It's made for fun, for having fun playing and being compensated with real crypto coins. Okay, so let's go for the beginners. Let's see. It all started with you customizing your character. You can go for a full copy of your looks or make it just the opposite. Be creative, we improvise with an avatar. You can change it later always. As soon as you finish creating your avatar, you can you are ready to go for some mining, basic and Raycon. So let's see what we have here. See the mining basics, okay? Now, mining base our games is a stimulate of mining, so it is a simply a version of how it is actually done in the real world. My network power, it is the mining power of all players combined. Though every player has its own mining power. My power, your personal mining power, it can be built by playing games and possessing mining machines. The more power you have, the bigger piece of mining block you receive. So you can see mining block, every block has a fixed reward in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum at once, which is separated between all ruler coin players in according to their mining power. Are you getting it? So let's try play a game. So let me read this. Reward all players receive free coins on their virtual wallets when the mining block is calculated, which happens approximately every 5 minutes. Okay, let's play a game now. You can see I have played one game here. Let me just show you by testing this game out, so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see what I'm having here. I have 32,269 terahashes. So let's start a game. Full screen. Let me see if I can get a full screen. Okay, this is now a full screen. So let's go. I'm not playing a game by clicking on these coins that are coming, and you have to be careful while you're playing this game because they have also a bomb attached. When the bomb gets to you, you can lose the game and lose the coin. So you have to be playing with careful. This is a bomb, so you don't have to click on it. So this is how this is for just for relaxation. Okay, so you play the game, you're relaxing and you're mining. You can see how easy life is when you know what you're doing. I wish I knew these informations at a very long time ago. You see, you won. I have scored 600 points. Your power is now 600 gigahertz per second. I can gain the power. Let me gain the power. Okay, see, I'm gaining the power right now that I've just played. I look at my value there. It is now 28,361 terahashes. Okay, so you can see what I've gotten for the next 24 hours. I'm going to be having this. So I can choose more games and start playing more games. Okay, I have to choose another game. I start playing another game. So this is just how you're going to be having fun here. You can remember these old time games when you have. You can remember when you have those games like the, I can remember when we have the Terminator game, the 8-bit games. This is what we play. We play these games when we are little. You can see we play this game when we are little, and they now made it. They now changed the pattern so we can definitely use this game to generate passive income. So that is it. You can see I've in 24 hours I'm going to be having something like plus 700 gigahash terahashes of mining, and you can see at the left hand side I have my Bitcoin of 1000 Satoshi. I'm still waiting for the rest to update. So that is just it about this game. Okay, so let me go back to my referrals program. In case you don't know, please don't forget to click and register through this reference link. That is this point here. This point here over here. Yes, this is the reference link. Don't forget to click on it and register through this reference link so you can generate passive income. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but it's an sure way of you be able to generate, to know or to feel what it means to have cryptocurrency. And you can have this, you can generate this by increasing it by just playing this game. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please click on the share buttons, click on the referrals buttons, click on the like and share my videos. Until then, please wait for the next video. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day.